So today I'm using Palmer's Amino Bonding Complex line. After many protective styles, my hair deserved this much needed TLC. So I go in and shampoo and rinse and go straight in with their conditioning mask. I take advantage of the slip and clear my hair of knots and leave the mask in for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then rinse. Craving that extra shine, I apply their hair gloss. Then I smooth the product into my hair and reach for their leave-in conditioner. With my favorite gel, I do the styling. This is my hair half styled, half not styled. And then this is fully styled. I reach for my diffuser and fully dry. Using that healing oil, I break my gel cast, leaving my hair shinier and healthier than ever. Now I'll show you the lifeless mess I called hair before this process. I think it's safe to say I'm satisfied with the results.